On behalf of Expert Village, my name is George Engel with Mr. Fix-It Handyman in Miami, Florida. And today I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use and perform different cuts with a portable table saw. Nice. So to change the blade, I'm going to go ahead and remove the shroud here. Okay. We're going to take out the screw that holds the blade guide in place. Okay, and then this comes out. You get your wrenches from your blade storage. Okay, and we're going to put the opened end inside, and we're going to use the closed end outside.